Namaskara, dear friends. Hare Krishna. Sanskrit Sense is greeting you. I hope you are well, healthy, and safe in this uneasy time in the world. And I'm bringing you some good news. We are opening an online daily Sanskrit reading room. Yes, you heard it right. It will be basically an online interactive workshop where I will walk you through the process of reading and understanding any Sanskrit text. We'll take a verse, interesting verses, different passages from the scriptures. We'll work on every individual word in the verse, see how they all tie together and form beautiful sentences with elevated spiritual meaning. So basically, the whole text, Sanskrit text, will come alive in front of your eyes because we'll be using the online meeting platform called Zoom. So there are many features. You'll be able to raise your hand, ask questions, either by chat or in just directly audio. We'll even see each other. We'll have a whiteboard, digital whiteboard, where we'll actually show the verse to you graphically, how all the words are connected, all that structure, beautiful structure. And we'll explain everything in a easy to understand way. So what do you need to know to join such these workshops? Basically, I invite everybody, starting from the very beginner up to the intermediate learner of Sanskrit. You basically either you know nothing about Sanskrit and just willing to learn it from the scratch, or you're already in the process of learning, you know some grammar. Each one of you will be engaged. Yeah, I'll ask questions, we'll have discussions. So as someone who has passed through the process of Sanskrit learning, I don't want you to be stuck in grammatical formulas, in sutras or tables, or however you are learning Sanskrit. Either you are learning Sanskrit by the Western method or you are learning Sanskrit through the sutras. I don't want you to get stuck in those mechanics and formulas without actual touch with real texts. Yeah, I've seen such cases when people know hundreds of sutras, people know dozens of tables, but you give them a verse in front and they are just lost, you know. So I don't want that to happen. So therefore, I was participating in such workshops in my Gurukula, Sanskrit Gurukula. From the day one, I knew nothing about Sanskrit and I was just directly plunged into reading Sanskrit texts, and I picked up a lot from that. Initially, it might seem like a bit too overwhelming, but you don't need to be scared because everything gradually falls into place and you are able to read Sanskrit verses very naturally. So in the process of this workshop, we'll discuss many things: the meanings of words, the roots, the parts of speech, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, the syntax, karakas, cases, and whatnot, different tenses of verbs. So in other words, it will be a great, meaningful and spiritual experience spending our time together in this elevating way. So I hope it will be really helpful and uplifting your spirits in this dangerous time. And so join me every day at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I'm repeating it, 6 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. In order to join, you need to send me your email privately by messenger on this Facebook page, Sanskrit Sense, or on my personal Facebook, Nityananda Artyom Schvans. And I'll be able to send you an invitation link which you could use to join the meetings. So please do that. Until tomorrow, you have enough time. A few hours before the scheduled meeting, I'll send you out the invitation link and we'll be done. So I'm excited to see you all tomorrow with me in the Sanskrit Sense reading room. Hare Krishna. Om Tat Sat.